Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss about RNA, ribonucleic acid. It is a nucleic acid that helps in protein synthesis. It carries genetic information from DNA and uses it to make proteins in the cell. If we want to describe the structure of RNA, that you know that although DNA is composed of double strand, but RNA is single stranded and made of repeated units, the same as were used for the manufacturing of DNA. Nucleotides. Nucleotides have ribosome sugar and second phosphate groups. Both of these unite to form the backbone of the RNA, single backbone of the RNA, and nitrogenous bases. In the nitrogenous bases, RNA have adenine, guanine, cytosine, and instead of thymine, it have uracil. If we want to know about the location of RNA, then RNA is found in nucleus, cytoplasm, and ribosomes. Now, again, we are here to discuss the function of RNA. Their basic function, as I told you before, that it will transfer genetic information from DNA and then helps in protein synthesis. And it is also responsible to control cell activities. Now come on the next part of this lecture, that is the types of RNA. Here we have three types of RNA: messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. First, we have messenger RNA. Its function to carry message from DNA to ribosomes. Second, messenger RNA also act as a template for protein formation. Number second, we have transfer RNA. Here, its responsibility to bring amino acids to the ribosome, and second, matches amino acids with the messenger RNA code, because codes are present on the which it will be carried from the DNA. If we want to discuss the structure of transfer RNA, that it will be just like the clove-like, leaf-like structure. Cloves leaves-like structure, and it has anticodons. It has anticodons for its functioning. After that, we have ribosomal RNA. It forms ribosomes. Second, provides a place for protein synthesis. So I think all these points are cleared. So you can repeat it again. Number one, we discussed about first we discussed about RNA. After that, we discuss about the types of RNA. Here we have diagrams for the types of RNA: messenger RNA, transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA. Three of these we have discussed its basic function and its structure also. So I think all these points are cleared.